Hello, everyone. I'm Dale Schlegel, owner of Tailored Insurance Solutions, and this is Tuesdays with Tailored. On today's episode, we are going to be covering comprehensive and collision coverage for cars. So, just put a blog post out with the title of "My Car is a Junker. Should we drop the comp and collision?" If you go to what Forbes says, they say the standard rule of thumb is when your car is 5 to 6 years old, you want to drop the comprehensive and collision coverage. I say a couple things about that. First thing to understand really is that you don't need to drop comprehensive and collision coverage together. But before we even get there, what is collision coverage and what is comprehensive coverage? So collision coverage pays for damage to your car in the case of an accident with an object, like a car or a pole or a guardrail. Comprehensive coverage, on the other hand, pays for car theft and damage to your vehicle from floods or fire or vandalism or animals or falling objects. So really, after you understand that, you know you don't need to drop comprehensive and collision coverage together. You can drop one or the other. So I would say only drop comprehensive and or collision if you consider these two things. Number one, you feel financially comfortable paying for a potentially large repair to your vehicle if something were to happen to it. And two, you feel financially comfortable paying a down payment on a new vehicle. So if you were to total your vehicle yesterday, do you feel comfortable going out today, dipping into your bank account and buying a new vehicle? Or would you like to get a little bit of money out of the insurance company for that full coverage, that comprehensive and collision coverage on the vehicle that you currently have? Whether they're going to give you $35,000 or they're going to give you $500, they're going to give you something toward purchasing a new vehicle. So my suggestion is, unless you are financially comfortable today going out and buying a new vehicle, let's keep them on there. Maybe consider increasing your deductible if you feel comfortable paying a high repair bill on a vehicle. But until you feel comfortable actually purchasing a new vehicle, let's keep that comp and collision on your policy for now. I'm Dale Schlegel, and that is another episode of Tuesdays with Tailored. Thanks for tuning in.